I'm David Makepeace. I'm the General Sales Manager for Miller Edge, here to talk about our new LED and Sensing Edge system. It's called the VisiLight Plus for barrier arms. This is specifically designed to fit Door King's octagonal arms. Really great integrated system. We're using a clear mounting retainer that slides into the bottom of the octagonal arm. 3 pieces for the mounting channel, slides in and then you push it all in together. This has really bright LED lights. When the barrier arm is in the up position, it'll be green, and as the barrier arm moves down and closes, the LEDs will turn to red. And then at the far end of the assembly, as the barrier arm comes down, we have a really nice slimline sensing edge, Miller Edge design, so you know that it's going to be reliable. And then to hold the system into place, we're using a mounting cap system at either end of the assembly that swivels up and into the mounting channel at the bottom of the octagonal arm. And we're using a screw that tightens to hold that cap into place and stop the assembly from sliding around. So you've got a really easy to slide in mounting channel system. It's super lightweight. You've got the super bright LED lights that'll be visible day or night. You've got the reliable Miller Edge Sensing Edge, the easy cap system to hold it into place. And then we're using a simple connector system for Door King system. It's plug and play, one connector into their system, so really, really great, easy to use. So once again, this was the VisiLight Plus for barrier arms from Miller Edge.